Trail and Summit. Bryan here, Cascade Custom Vans. We got another van rolling in the shop this week. Let's have a look. Alright guys, so in this van we have a couple variations, couple changes from some of our previous releases. So first off, obviously you're going to notice this epic chair. This thing is badass. This is a Wilderness van seat. So this is their 500 bifold seat. It flips into a bed and it converts from a standard adult size seat for travel into a full-size sleeper. So I'll demonstrate that in a moment. Throughout the rest of the van here, you can see we changed up some of our cabinetry styles. So we have a laminate. This is a European style cabinetry. Before we kind of had a hybridized face frame European mount door system. This is full-on European style throughout. You can kind of see how the edges all blend. Everything looks sharp and clean. Minimalist lines, all that stuff. In the overheads, we have the spring assisted opens. They stay open on their own, soft close on the way down. Front and back, both of those just like that. Down below here in the galley, soft close drawers. Plenty of storage in this one. Huge drawer. Down below, isotherm fridge. This is the 3.0. Up top here, we have a Ramblewood propane gas cooktop. Awesome, gas is great to cook with. Over here we have the dual action spray head. Water's on a switch in the back. Has the spray function as well. Alright, on the end here we have a lagoon mount. So this is just the main post, just on there for storage while we drive, whatever. Easier than taking it on and off. Up top here we have a live edge, a really epic live edge, probably the best one we've done yet. This is a Claro walnut slab, locally sourced here in the Northwest. We put a lot of work into this one. We got key inlays up top here, epoxy running into the bug cutouts and everything from all the bugs that were living in it while this tree was on its way out. The major cracks are infused here with epoxy as well. Tile backsplash as normal here. That's something that's kind of becoming standard for us. We're doing a ton of, the dual zone dimmers for the front and back on the undermounts. Something that's different in these vans as well. We inlaid our LEDs on the undermount of these cabinets. So those are recessed fully, so they're nice and flush and recessed inside the cabinet body. Full-size bed in the back, 6-inch memory foam. Super comfortable as always. Down below here, hatch door. Quick access to the garage. Lights back there as well. In this one we also have a Propex heater. This is the HS2000, like the last van we showed you guys. It's in the back, in the storage beneath the garage, as we call it. That way that it's recycling the cold air from underneath the bed, heating up the cabin air up here for you guys when you're sleeping. New to this van, it's first for us, definitely not the last. This is again the Bifold 500 seat from Wilderness Vans. Give you a quick demo on how this works. Has a double hinge system, so you pull this lever, pull this tab, lift the seat forward. The high back comes off in this model, and you just pull this up, set this forward into there. This folds down the rest of the way, and then this guy folds down from the back. Got a bed there, perfect size for a kid. You can add a flip up back here, stretch it out, match it with your front seat, whatever you'd like to do, make it fit a full-size adult if you'd like to use that format. Super simple to convert, really comfortable. All right, up front here in the cockpit, we have swivels for both the passenger and the driver. Lagoon table kind of services both of those. Up top, the Max Air Max fan is the 7500K Deluxe with the remote control. Always great, gotta love these things. Every van should have one. Standard ceiling for us, the drop slatted style, again with the Doug fir, sourced locally in the Northwest. The recessed LED pucks on a dimmer system as well. Dimmers throughout. We also have the dimmer toe lights, or toe kick lights rather. Power system in this one, we have 3000 watt inverter in the back, 2 deep cycle lithium iron phosphate batteries from Battleborn, 30 amp hour charge controller, 200 watts of solar up top, and DC to DC charging on the fly per usual. Okay guys, in this van, again as I mentioned before, we have the Propex HS2000 heater. This is the thermostat and control for it. It has a simple function, cycles the fan and turns on the heat. You can see the blue flame and the fan icons on here. Top knob controls that, gets that rolling. and then the bottom one controls the heat. T-vent window from CR Lawrence, per usual, keeps the air moving. Northwestern company here, fabric wrap door panels for the style. So again, lagoon mount system here with the swivel table. We did this one to match the countertop as closely as possible. This is just another species of, this is just another slab of Clara walnut, sourced locally as well. And these are great. Alright guys, so in the garage space here in the back of this van, you can see we have a Gasland shower on the door, 7-gallon reservoir with a dedicated pump for the outdoor shower. It runs on propane gas. Always good to remove the cylinder when you're using it, set it outside. Has a quick connect system. So this rolls out, connects onto the base of the shower there. Over here, like our previous releases, we have the power system, so you have your 3000 watt inverter, the 200 amp hour battery bank, 30 amp charge controller to the 200 watts of solar up top. HS2000 Propex heater is housed inside that box there. Has the intake ports on the side, so it's exchanging again the cold air that's inside the garage, bringing that up into the cabin as hot air. Dedicated lights for the garage, so you can see what you're doing at night, grab and go stuff, all that jazz. Alright guys, up top here we have a Vantech rack. This is the H3. It's modified to house the fan up front. We got the solar panels mounted there as well. Beneath my feet here we have a Brazilian teak party deck. You know, perfect for catching sunset, sunrise, coffee, cocktails, stargazing, whatever. Sleep up here. Side rails will keep you in if you decided to. 7 foot long by about 5'4" wide. Again, Brazilian teak, super robust, UV resistant, moisture resistant. Great stuff for decking on vans. Again, Brian here from Cascade Custom Vans. Thanks for stopping in the shop, checking out this build before it rolls out. This will be a rental van with Walden camper vans on the East Coast. If you guys want to stay a night in this thing or a week, check them out. They'll be based around Boston area. And this could be yours for a night or 10. Check them out. Thanks for stopping by. If you like this video, smash the like button, subscribe, do all the good stuff below. We'll see you on the next one.